bike ready to say hi to the camera. Lane departure. Caution, front car. Attention to pedestrians.
.750X 3-channel plus, now with front, rear, and interior video protection, giving your car the total coverage that it deserves. The front and rear cameras feature full HD Sony Starvis sensors, providing ultimate video quality in any condition, while the interior-facing camera uses infrared LEDs to capture clear footage even in complete darkness. Also available with our driver monitoring camera to keep you safe while driving. And for those times when you're away, you can hardwire your BlackVue to enjoy the benefits of parking mode, while built-in voltage monitoring prevents the draining of your vehicle's battery. With BlackVue Cloud, you'll stay connected to your car at all times, receiving push notifications in the event of an impact, while event videos are instantly uploaded to the cloud for safekeeping.
Find an optimal view for any vehicle. Rotatable interior lens covers side window recording to protect drivers from any possible traffic disputes and fraud.
Recording. 3 channels started.
Voice notification gives you instant audio reminder of recording status, so you may stay focused and keep your eyes on the road. It has wide-angle view to capture enough details from all 3 channels. T130 is built with Sony IMX335 Starvis sensor, supporting quad HD 1440p recording for the front and full HD 1080p for interior and rear recording. To enhance night interior view, T130 adopts an Omni vision image sensor, which combines ultra-low light and near-infrared technology that performs much brighter than other dashcams. As mentioned earlier, the T130 has rotatable interior lens, and now you'll see how it helps you to record in unpredictable events. By one simple press on the Bluetooth remote control, you can also lock the current footage immediately.
Video protected.
Circular polarizing lens is also available for T130 to help remove windshield reflections and restore more pure images.
Wi-Fi enabled.
T130 has also built-in high-speed Wi-Fi connection to enable setting changes, video live view, download and share on the app end. Built-in GPS logger tracks your driving speed, time and location data, which can be vital evidence in insurance claims. T130 has 3 parking modes: auto